Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to our cozy corner. Grab a warm cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's spend some peaceful time together. Before we start, if you are a beginner and find this moving a bit too fast, remember that you can easily slow down this video. Just click the gear icon, Settings, in the corner of your screen, select Playback Speed, and change it to 0.75 or 0.5. Take your time, there is no rush here. Today we are working on a wonderful, practical project. Beautiful patchwork pot holders and hot pads. Patchwork pot holders and hot pads / trivets, crafted entirely from fabric scraps. Scrap busting. Did you know the fascinating history behind this? Centuries ago, quilting and patchworking weren't just a craft. They were born out of absolute necessity and thriftiness and resourcefulness. In times of hardship, women couldn't afford to waste a single inch of textile. They carefully saved every leftover strip and block of fabric, piecing them together to keep their families warm and their homes cozy. Today, we call this sustainable living or zero-waste sewing. By turning our leftover scraps into gorgeous kitchen essentials, we practice smart sewing, and cozy finance, saving money, reducing waste, and creating functional luxury for our homes with zero extra cost. All the professional tools and materials I use today, from my rotary cutter to heat erasable pens and thermal batting, are linked directly in the description box below, so you can easily find them. Now let's begin our gentle creative journey. If you are just starting your sewing journey, I want you to know this project is designed especially for beginners. Beginner-friendly sewing project. Many people think that patchworking and quilting are too difficult, but I am here to show you that patchwork is actually wonderful for beginners. Patchwork is great for beginners. We don't need complex patterns or expensive new fabrics here. By starting with basic straight stitching, simple square blocks, and accurate pressing with an iron, you will build your confidence step by step. If at any moment you feel unsure about how to align your fabric pieces or how to handle the seams, don't forget you can adjust the video speed in your settings to follow along comfortably. Everything you need is right here, and you can totally do this. Let's dive deeper into the process. Look at how these pieces are coming together. As we carefully align our raw edges, press our seams with a hot iron, pressing seams, and quilt the layers together, I want to remind you that learning to sew can be done at your own pace. If you ever need to look closer at a stitch or a pressing technique, feel free to pause or slow down the playback speed in your settings anytime. While we are working on these lovely details, I want to invite you to explore more of our peaceful creations. Check out the link to my special playlist in the description box below, playlist link, to discover more cozy ideas, step-by-step tutorials, and mindful sewing projects that will inspire your home and your budget. And remember, all the precise measurements, fabrics, and tool links are waiting for you in the description. Let's keep sewing with calm and joy. And here are our finished patchwork pot holders and hot pads. Just look at how stunning, functional, and warm they look in our kitchen. By using simple fabric scraps that would otherwise go to waste, we created something truly valuable while keeping our household budget smart and happy. Cozy Finance. Before you go, if you found this video helpful or if you slowed it down to follow along step by step, please hit the like button, leave a cozy comment below, and subscribe to our channel to join our growing family. Don't forget that all tools, threads, and materials are linked in the description for your convenience. Thank you so much for spending this quiet, creative time with me today. May your home be filled with warmth, beautiful crafts, and peace. Take care, and see you in the next video.